guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be testing out some wax strips from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? The Dollar Tree has wax strips. So these are from Dreamology. They were $1.25 each. I got the ones for bikini and body and for face. I'm going to try to do the bikini and body in like a separate clip, because it's really hard to manage like trying to film my leg. But anyways, we're going to talk about both of them. Let's start with the face wax strips. Again, they're $1.25. These are chamomile hair removal strips for touch-ups and travel. Hair grows back finer and softer. You get 8 strips and 2 wipes. The wipes are like aftercare wax remover type of situation. So 8 strips for $1.25 is pretty good in my opinion, especially like if you're only doing your eyebrows or like your upper lip. I get laser hair removal on like my lower face, so we're not going to be using the wax strips there. We're really going to mainly be using them on the tops of my eyebrows. I specifically tried to let them grow out a little bit so that there'd be a little bit more hair here. It's not like a whole bunch of hair, but like it's noticeable to me. So that's what we're going to be doing. These are how the wax strips come, in like a little packet like this, and then you get the 2 after depilation wipes to take away the wax and to calm your skin. And then in the bikini and body, these are cocoa butter. And then you get 4 wax strips and 2 wipes in this one. And these are the wax strips for the body, bikini and body. And then again, the 2 aftercare wipes. So, pretty good. I don't think that this would be something for the body ones especially. I don't know if you would be able to use this for like your whole leg, although you can use the strips multiple times. I have read the instructions on both of these. You can use the strips multiple times until they're not sticky. I just don't know if 4 strips is going to be enough to do like your whole leg. It might be enough to do like your whole arm. So you might need a couple boxes of these if you are going to try to do your whole leg. But say you are going on vacation, or you did get your legs professionally waxed and maybe there was a spot that was missed, maybe, you know, it grew back a little bit quicker, maybe like your hair growth is not on the same page. This would be a good way to like touch up a leg or something like that, in my opinion. So we're going to use these. Let me tell you a little bit about the instructions as we're doing it. It says, strips away unwanted hair for up to 4 weeks, silky smoothness. Directions for use: wax strips are more effective when warm. To warm, rub the wax strips between hands for 30 seconds. Ensure the skin is clean, dry, and oil-free and free of oils and moisturizers. Hair should be between 2 to 5 millimeters long for best results. Gently pull the strips apart, exposing the wax surface. Ensure the wax surface does not come into contact with anything until the strip is used. With the wax side facing the skin, firmly smooth the strip in the same direction as the hair for approximately 10 seconds, ensuring the strip is securely fixed on the skin. Holding the skin taut to avoid discomfort, quickly pull the strip back on itself against the direction of the hair growth. Keep the strip as close to the skin as possible. Repeat as necessary. Strips can be reused several times until not sticky. Remove excess wax on skin with aftercare waxing finish wipes. Alright, so do you guys see along the top here? I think that did a really good job. Again, I didn't have like crazy growth, but it definitely got the hairs out, and it got them out a lot easier than like Sally Hansen wax strips. I've tried those before and I don't think that they're really great. So I would say that these are really, really thick strips. So maybe like I would cut them down a little bit. Maybe we'll try that on the other brow. Ooh, yeah. That got it real good. Let's try to like use the other side that doesn't have as much hair. Try to get some of these last little stragglers. Got 'em. I think I only have two little hairs left. Maybe 3. That worked out really well. Very, very nice. Let's see if we can get a close-up. Again, I don't know. I didn't have like crazy regrowth on top of my eyebrows. Those eyebrows are usually thinner anyways. And maybe I'll try to take like a picture of it to put up so that it can be like a little bit closer. But it definitely worked. So A+ on this. I would say I got like 3 good pools before it kind of like lost its stickiness. So top, side, and then like 1 cleanup, which was good. On this one though, I am going to try and trim the sides. Because whereas I do think it's nice that they give you a large surface area to work with, it's really hard to be precise around the eyebrow when you have like these huge wings. So we trimmed it down a little bit. I'm going to brush these hairs down. Ow. Okay, that got them, that got them. See, I think for me, I have a lot more like fine, like blonde hair around the tops of my eyebrows, so it's harder to like see what it actually got. Ew, but it got a lot. Alright, let's go here. I probably should have mapped out my eyebrows a little bit better too before I just went willy-nilly and did this. That's okay. Okay, that one got one. Again, these are gonna be really hard to see, so I'll try to take like close-up pictures. But it definitely got some. Again, I feel like on top of my eyebrow especially, I get like all these really, really fine hairs that don't necessarily look noticeable, but it makes the eyebrow not look as like crisp and shaped. Let's see if we can get that one. Got it. Ooh, I think that worked out really nicely. Alright, I'm gonna try one of these moisturizing and soothing wipes. Ooh, it smells really good. Alright, this is just kind of like a papery wipe. I don't really love that, but it is very oiled. Okay, you guys, so for $1.25, I think these were a really good investment. I'm going to also try, while I'm talking about my thoughts and feelings, put up a small little, here, I'll move over to give myself room, a small video of like my legs. I did grow my leg hair out, which I have a lot of it, to try to use the cocoa butter body and bikini strips. But the face strips, very, very nice. I had very minimal irritation. The box does say to do a patch test, which like I don't really know how you would do a patch test with a wax strip. Anyways, it says to do a patch strip. I guess I'm just reckless enough not to. I think it had a lot less irritation than some of the other waxing kits that I've used. It did get the hair. You could reuse them multiple times, like the box had said. Probably a good like 4 or 5 like rip-offs is what I'm going to say before they kind of lose their stick. They're very, very wide, so even if you wanted to cut them down like in half, into quarters, or cut the sides, like these big sides off to get a little bit more precise. But $1.25 for 8 wax strips is amazing. Also, like the 2 aftercare strips. I wasn't too keen on the texture of the aftercare wipe. It was basically just like paper, but the smell of it, oh, the smell of that oil is very, very nice, as well as like it sunk into my skin really, really quickly, so I don't feel like my face is like oily, you know, like how some after oil cares or like oil removers are like very thick. This one's very thin. It just feels almost kind of like an oil moisturizer. Again, I feel like it got my little baby hairs, which I have very, as I keep saying, I have very fine hair on the tops of my eyebrows, but that's kind of like what I need waxing the most to give my like eyebrows a little bit more definition, because if not, it just kind of looks like a field of little baby hairs. So really, really enjoyed these. I would definitely, for $1.25, recommend the Dreamology wax strips if you can find them from your Dollar Tree and you're like doing at-home waxing for your face especially. I think it's a good deal. For the bikini and body, I'm a little 4 strips for $1.25. Me, you know, like I'm not sure about that, but I honestly think that these are really high quality though, and that you would get a decent waxing out of both of these. So if you found the Dreamology wax strips at your Dollar Tree, let me know down in the comment section below. I will do my best to link these down in the description box below. The Dollar Tree is a little finicky about what they keep online and how much you can order. They've now reduced it so you don't have to bulk order online anymore with certain products, but they don't keep all of their products online. So it sometimes can be a hunt to find Dollar Tree items, but if you found them, let me know down in the comment section below if you've tried them. Have you tried other wax strips? I've tried the Sally Hansen wax strips, and like, again, I wasn't all that enamored with the results, but like these, I was enamored with the results because it got all of my little baby hairs. Also, are you somebody who like after you wax, like you want to see the strip, like you want to see all of the hair that was removed? Like I need to see what came out of my like face. So anyways, let me know all that down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.